Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a look with the Colourpop x RawBeautyKristi palette at Forest Sight. I am a humongous RawBeautyKristi fan. I did do a previous look with her collab with Pure. So I will link that down below. I did get two glosses and the palette, which I will show you. I am actually going to do a look inspired by Alexandra Anale. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, come on. She does like professional looks that are on the Pat McGrath, I believe, Instagram. So it's not gonna look like hers, but I'm gonna try. So the two lip colors I got are these gorgeous glosses. This is Wildflower and Glacier. And the packaging is so adorable. You have these cute like mushrooms. This is what the box looks like. This is the little palette here. We have 12 shadows, and it is like raised, so it has some texture, and it's stunning. I mean, it doesn't have a mirror, but again, I know she wanted the cardboard so that it would be recyclable. She's like super into that. Kristi is from the Pacific Northwest, which is what PNW stands for. So we're gonna be using a lot of these colors. If it will come out good, we'll see. Let's go ahead and get started. I have already done my face. So what I'm gonna do is pull up, I kind of put on my phone like a rundown of what she did. Okay, so we're gonna start off with Old Growth in the crease and then Puffball. This is Old Growth and that's Puffball. There is some like kick up, kick back, kick up. I always say that. And I know that she brought this a lot into the inner corner, or like the inner part of the eye, and pretty high up, which I like to go high up. So if you want something more wearable, I don't know if this is the look, but you don't have to go as high as I do, but I just feel like there's such a, because I like really warm colors on my eyes, I feel like there's just a lot of like it's such a stark contrast between like the white here and then the color. So I tend to like diffuse it. You do want to make sure that where you first put your brush is where you want the most pigment. And, you know, I'm putting it right in the crease and then bringing it up. If you put it up here, then you blend, it's just going to go literally into your eyebrow. Like that. Okay, so now I'm going in with Puffball and I'm just going to put this right in my crease. So I decided to try and mimic this look because we watch these beauty tutorials, right? And then we try to do it ourselves and it's a hot mess. So it's kind of like, you're not alone, don't worry. So next we're gonna go in with Emerald City, which is this gorgeous emerald color. I'm just gonna go in with this kind of pointed brush. And she went along the outer part of the lash line. And kind of into like that triangular shape, like a wing. And that's why you should not be pressing, like pulling your lid. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, we are going to go out. And now I'm going to go in with Fiddlehead, which is this nice mossy green. Same brush, tap that off, and I'm just going to blur kind of right there. Go around the edges. I can already tell you this is not going to look like hers. You know how I know? Because it doesn't look like hers. And now I'm going to go in with PNW, which is this beautiful, deep, rich blue. PNW stands for Pacific Northwest. Kristi lives in Washington State. We're just going to go along the lash line here. packed this into. We just layered it right on. Now we are going in with, of course, everyone's favorite colors, Evergreen and then West Coast. Evergreen is this green, gold, brown. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely stunning. Are these like pressed pigments? Are they even shimmers? They're so gorgeous. West Coast is gold. So we're gonna take this and go over, oh my Lord. Just beautiful. We're just going to go all over the lid. I'm not trying to cover what we have just done. And now we're taking West Coast, which is that gold, and just going over the, and now we're taking West Coast, which is this beautiful gold, and just going over like the first quarter of the lid. Oh my God. Stunning. Now she did take Homegrown, which is this beautiful, like almost like Merlot brown, just a little bit right here because we lost some definition of the crease. Probably even put just a little bit too much right there. And it's not all the way around, it's just kind of like right here. Just blend that out. Take my other brush that I used initially with, what was that, Old Growth? So for the lower lash line, we're going to take Fiddlehead and Emerald City. Fiddlehead, again with this like little pointed brush, I'm going to put all underneath, and then Emerald City kind of connecting this outer corner there. So I'm actually taking PNW, not Emerald City. I'm going to put that on that outer edge and connect it to the wing. And I'm taking West Coast, which is that beautiful gold. Right there in that inner part. Oh, it's just stunning. I have this waterproof eyeliner in Rainforest by Laura Geller. It's just a green. I'm going to use that on my waterline. Alexandra used a different like mossy green metallic-y kind of liner, but it does just give a little something. I feel like it pulls the look together. And then I'm just going back with Old Growth, which is that initial color, and just sweeping it under the entire under eye. Okay, there we go. I'm going to throw on some mascara. This is the Lancome Hypnose Drama, I believe. I do like this Mars from Colored Rain. This is a, I'm going to put on this from Colored Rain. It's a liquid lipstick in the colored Mars. The Colored Rain in the color Mars. And then I'm going to put on this gloss in Wildflower. That is like not too sickeningly sweet, but just sickeningly sweet enough. It reminds me of something delicious. I don't know what. It's very creamy, not gross. You don't get that weird like-ness, but love it. Okay, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. Not exactly like Alexandra's. Let me pull this up. Not exactly the same. Definitely not. It's like the super poor man's Alexandra Anale look. I mean, she's just stunning. There's stuff I can't do in there, but I mean, the overall gist, kind of not really. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, obviously you can tell I love this palette, these colors. I really wanted to try this colorful look because as much as I love blues and greens, I never use them. I gravitate towards these colors. And I really wanted to just step out of my comfort zone and play with a little bit of color, do something a little bit different. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will link down my other Raw Beauty Kristi Get Ready With Me down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.